Hi guys! Today we're going to go over touch math, and I'm going to show you on this worksheet just so we can be reminded about how we do use touch math for addition and subtraction. So first, I'm going to start by putting my name in the name spot. It's Miss Stephanie. First, we're going to go over the number 1, and whenever we're writing it out and we're going to do our touch math, we always make sure to have a dot on the top of the number 1. For number 2, we write out our number 2, and our touch spots are going to be at the very top and the very end. For number 3, we write out our 3. Our touch spots are going to be at the very end of each of these curves. For number 4, we're going to write out our 4, and our touch spots are going to be at these 2 top points, this corner, and this other corner. For number 5, our touch spot is going to be at the very beginning of the 5, at the first corner, at the second corner, in the middle of the curve, and at the very tail end. For 6, we're going to write it out. We're going to have double circles. So this is the first time we see double circle. So we're going to have one circle here, and these other circles can be done as a ring. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So notice how it has 2 circles and it has 1, 2. We can do 2 circles, or what I like to do, and you'll probably do it on your work, is a circle and a line around it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we're going to move on to number 7 right here, and it has doubles as well, so let's pay attention. So we're going to have 1 dot that's by itself at the beginning of the 7. We're going to have 1 dot at the corner, and we're going to put a ring around that as well. We're going to have 1 dot in the center of the line, and then we're going to put a ring around that one as well. And we're going to have a dot here on the end of the 7, and we're going to put a ring around that, and then we're going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to move on to our 8. So we drew our 8, and then we're going to do our circle and our ring around it. Circle, ring around it. Circle, ring, circle, ring. And then just to make sure we did it right, we're going to count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to do our 9. We're going to write it out, and then we're going to start here at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So remember, whenever we're doing our math, we're going to always use our touch points to start with, just so we can remember how much each number is worth. So 1 has 1 touch point, 2 has 2 touch points, 3 has 3 touch points, 4 has 4 touch points, 5 has 5 touch points, 6 has 6 touch points, 7 has 7 touch points, 8 has 8 touch points, and 9 has 9 touch points. And remember, some of these are doubled. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me give you an example of how to use touch math with addition. So here we have the problem 4 plus 0. So I'm just going to trace this and highlight my touch points here. So 4 has 4 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 has no touch points. So that means it's 4 plus nothing, 0, which means the answer is just 4. Now here we have a different problem. We have 3 plus 1. So we've made sure that we have all of our touch points in place. 1, 2, 3 for 3, 1 for 1. And then we're going to add, addition. So all we're going to do is count all the touch points together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 touch points, therefore 3 plus 1 is 4. Now let's try it here with 2. So we have 2 plus 2. Make sure we get our touch points. We know it's addition, so we're going to add and count them all together. So let's count all of our touch points together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that answer is 4. So another quick reminder, here is what all of our touch points look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here's our reminder of how to use them in math. So when we're doing addition, 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 we're just counting all the touch points together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. All right, guys, I hope this was a good reminder of how to do touch math with addition. Very excited for this school year and very excited to be sharing more math with you guys. Love you.